Accidents happen when we least expect them, but knowing how insurance works can make the aftermath a lot smoother. In this video, we'll break down the top insurance facts you need to know when you're involved in an accident, and how to be prepared for the unexpected. The first thing to do after an accident is report it to your insurance company. In the insurance field, this is called proof of loss. Most insurance policies require you to report within 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to take pictures, gather witness information, and exchange insurance details with the other driver. The more information you have, the easier the claims process will be. Next, let's talk about deductibles and coverage limits. Your deductible is the amount you pay before insurance covers the rest. For example, if your repair costs $2,000 and your deductible is $500, you pay the first $500 and your insurance covers the remaining $2,500. Knowing your coverage limit is also important. This is the maximum amount your insurance will pay for damages. If the accident exceeds this limit, you may need to cover the extra costs yourself. Liability coverage is a key part of your insurance. If you're at fault in an accident, liability coverage pays for the other driver's damages, including car repairs and even legal fees. Each state has minimum requirements for liability coverage, but it's often smart to have more than the minimum, so you're fully protected in case of a larger accident. Comprehensive coverage protects your car from damage caused by non-accident events like theft, fire, or weather. Collision coverage protects your car if it's damaged in an accident, whether you hit another vehicle or an object. Both coverages are optional, but highly recommended to protect against unexpected events. Did you know that where you live affects how claims are handled? In no-fault states, your insurance covers your medical expenses, regardless of who caused the accident. This is called personal injury protection. In at-fault states, the person responsible for the accident is required to cover the other driver's damages. Knowing how your state handles claims can help you understand what to expect after an accident. Lastly, consider adding uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage to your policy. If you're in an accident with someone who doesn't have insurance or their coverage isn't enough, this protection ensures you're not left with the bill. Accidents may be inevitable, but knowing these insurance facts can make all the difference. Don't forget to review your policy and stay prepared. And remember, you can also help your community by becoming an insurance professional. Visit our website, check out our programs, and sign up today.